I've been getting a lot of questions about the all-new Market Flow Trader course, the Market Flow Trader community. What is it all about? How does it work? Let's break down basically what you're gonna get when you buy into the Market Flow Trader community / course. The first question that I get, is the course only for beginner day traders? No, my friends. The course covers all of the basics, but also gives you everything from A to Z in terms of entries, strategies, the indicators that I use every day for trading futures, and the ideas that I use every single day to make profits here on YouTube Live. So the big focus for me really is all about the execution. It's about the emotion. It's about the risk to reward, understanding the process, what you need to go through to go from a beginner trader, a intermediate trader, and getting to the point that you're avoiding those big red days, those big losses. And that's really the big focus for the course. For example, some of the lessons here, this section right here, technical analysis foundations. We break down simple things like support, resistance. We talk about timing your entrance. These are all very important things that you need to know, not just as a beginner, but also as an intermediate day trader. And the thing about the Market Flow Trader course is this is not your typical PowerPoint presentation, you know, very boring and slow. We got some amazing editing, graphics, effects, and all that stuff to keep you interested, but also get to the point and show you exactly what I'm talking about, the ideas, the strategies, and all that fun stuff. So you can see like this one, timing your entrance. We talk about planning makes perfect, time frame strategies. We keep going and talk about really kind of getting in depth into the emotions and the overall ideas. We talk about trading the flow. We talk about the risk to reward, when and how to scale, and overall the emotions that go into day trading. So this is just one of the sections. All these videos are here in the course. There's over 30 videos explaining everything from A to Z. Also, you can see like here, I made a video talking about like some of the keys, some tips and tricks. We talk about trading power hour. This is an actual live trading video where I go through and break down my trades, what I'm thinking about, what I'm looking at, the whole entire hour from 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock, breaking down those trades all live in the moment and really going through my thought process and what I'm looking at when I'm trading and how I'm making these profits. I think this day alone, I made like $5,000 here in this video. So lots of really good information, lots of really great videos. Also, when you purchase the course, you get 6 months of membership to the community. We go through talking about trades. Today, somebody posted some puts that they traded, making money there on the puts. I posted up some charts earlier in the day as well, looking at some overall indicators and things like that. So the community is alive, the community is thriving, and we're building bigger and better every day. So you're not only just buying into the course, but you're also getting all the access to the Market Flow community. And going into 2023, we're gonna start doing more and more live streams only in the course for members to really tune in, to have Q&As, to ask questions, and to really learn as I'm trading and talking about the moves in the market and things like that. If you're interested in getting into the Market Flow Trader community, buying into the course, right now is the best time to do it. We're offering a 20% discount. This is only for YouTube subscribers, basically. There's a link down below. The idea is after this week, we will no longer be offering this discount. We're gonna start advertising it and putting out Market Flow Trader around the world. I've got a whole team that I'm working with on really building out the Market Flow Trader ecosystem, and in the future releasing more and more content as we get going. So if you get in today, you're gonna be locked in for at least the next 6 months, and you're gonna get a really good value, a overall great deal with that discount as a YouTube subscriber. If you miss out, you're thinking about maybe in the future jumping in, we'll have options as well to only have memberships for monthly and things like that. As we build and go into the future, we have a lot of things to come. So I'm excited to get the ball rolling, get this out there. I think the value is there, the quality is there, the videos are top notch, the editing is top notch, and the information is there. You're not only just getting, you know, a PDF, a PowerPoint presentation that talks about the general idea of the market. You're gonna get all that information right up here that I've learned over the last 6 years as a day trader, right in the Market Flow community and in the Market Flow course. So if you guys wanna learn more, there's a link down below. If you're looking to take your trading to the next level, you're tired of just constantly blowing up and losing tons of money, and you don't know what to do about it, I have it all planned out for you right here in the Market Flow Trader. In the future, we'll have some group Q&As to answer questions, to go over strategies, to take a look at some trades, and really help you guys get to that point where you're avoiding all the issues that I had to go through as a new day trader. So There it is, the Market Flow Trader community and the course. It's live. We're rocking and rolling. If you guys want to learn more, there's a link down below. Let's go.